Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to enable multiple windows on your BenQ board and use it for efficient multitasking. First, open any application of your choice, for instance, a browser, the whiteboard or iPrep content. Now go to the sidebar and enable the multi-window option. Once activated, the current application will minimize into a resizable window. You can then open additional apps in the same way. The board also allows you to view applications in quad view, enabling multiple windows to run simultaneously. Using the side controls, you can easily adjust the size of each window as per your requirement, making it flexible and user-friendly. You can also activate split screen view directly from the whiteboard. This allows you to drag and drop text, images, or even videos from Chrome browser directly on the whiteboard. It makes the content integration seamless and saves valuable teaching time. This feature is extremely useful in the classroom. For instance, you can display lesson content or a video on one side of the screen while writing explanations or notes on the whiteboard on the other side of the screen. This improves productivity, enhances engagement, and makes teaching more interactive and dynamic. Multi-window functionality on the BenQ board ensures smooth multitasking, making your classroom smarter and more efficient.